Welcome back students. Let us discuss question number 5 from exercise 2.4. Sobo's mother's present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. Sobo's age 5 years from now will be one third of his mother's present age. What are their present age? We are talking about ages of two people. One is Sobo and her mother. This is the present age. According to question, Sobo's mother present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. His mother's age is dependent on Sobo's age. We don't know what is Sobo's age. So let us consider his age to be x. If his age is x, then his mother, according to question, will be the age of 6x. So let us write it here. Let us consider the age of Sobo to be x, his mother's age will be equal to 6x. As Sobo is x years old, his mother will be 6x. Then it is given that Sobo's age 5 years from now, that is related to something. So let us first find Sobo's age after 5 years or 5 years from now. That is, if he is x years old now, so after 5 years, obviously she will be x plus 5. Suppose say I am 7 years old now, so after 5 years I will be 7 plus 5, that is 12 years old. Similarly, he is of x years old, so after 5 years he will be x plus 5 only. So this is x plus 5, the age of Sobo after 5 years. The question says that x plus 5 will be, means his age after 5 years now will be one third of his mother's present age. So let us quote this statement. According to question, Sobo's age after 5 years will be one third of his mother's present age. See, out of this statement only we will be framing the equation, and it is very easy. We just need to replace words with appropriate signs and numbers. So Sobo's age after 5 years, we have already found out here, that is x plus 5. So replace this phrase with x plus 5. Will be, means it will be equal to something. So it will be replaced as equal sign. Replace these words with equal sign. One third, mathematically one third कैसा होगा? 1/3, that is one third. It is simple. So I replaced one third as 1/3. Of means which sign? This is multiplication sign. His mother's present age. His mother's present age is also written, that is 6x. So replace this phrase of words with 6x. So this is the equation we were searching for. Now let us solve it. It is very easy. If you understand English, it is very easy to find equation and frame it. So this is implies x plus 5 equal to, see, this is 1/3 and it is multiplied by 6x. 6x is in numerator. So 1 into 6x is 6x divided by 3. In the next step, let us simplify the fraction present in RHS. So 3 2s are 6. So this became 2x. Now see, there are x's variables in both the sides. So bring it together. I prefer to keep the variables in LHS always. So x is there. Let us bring 2x to LHS and transpose 5 to RHS. 2x was positive, became negative after transposing, and 5 was positive and became negative after I transposed it. So x minus 2x is minus x. This is equal to minus 5. So see, here we got the result of minus x, but we require the value of x only. So let us multiply minus 1 in both the sides in order to make it positive, make the x positive. So minus 1 into minus x equal to minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Let us write what step did we follow. Multiply minus 1 on both the sides. So what happened there, when we are multiplying a negative number, keep it in bracket. It is always preferable. So we are now multiplying two negative number. So when those are multiplied, it became positive. So x equal to minus 1 into minus 5 is 5. So the value of x means the age of Sobo is x years old, means 5 years old. We were asked to find out what are their present ages. So the present age of Sobo is found to be x, that is 5 years, and the present age of his mother, we considered it as 6x, and it will be 6 into 5. Replace 5 in place of x because the value of x is found to be 5, that is 30 years old. So Sobo is 5 years old and his mother is 30 years old. This is the solution of the question. Thank you for watching.